what we did in our last class? Can anyone tell me? Abhinav, Arush, Jyotsna, Arav, Sashank. So Hasi was also there in last class.
In the last class, we do close, and ma'am, I have written till 50 in Spanish, los numerous.
Who is that? Who is written till 50?
I, Abhinav.
Abhinav, very good, Abhinav. So can you tell me till 10 now, because we did till 10 in last class?
Yes. 0,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 days.
Yes, okay. Anyone else who wants to tell counting? Shashank, Arush, Jyotsna already knows.
Yes, ma'am, I know till 20.
Okay, tell till 10 in the class now, so that everyone can revise.
Okay, ma'am, can I say?
Yes. Say.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, very good, very
Can I
good.
write in the chat box so everybody can?
Who else knows? Shashank, you were also there in the last class. Arav, I also told you to write. Arush, yeah, Arush has already told. Jyotsna also knows. So Hasi, what about you? You know counting till 10?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So Hasi, it's everyone listen now. I'm repeating again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat, everyone. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Then it says 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Arav, how many are these in Spanish? How many are these in Spanish? No, these my fingers. How many fingers are there? Tell me the number in Spanish. 5, right? Sashank, how many are these? Sashank. So Hasi, you tell how many are these?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Sashank, it's uno and dos. These are 2. That is dos. So it's uno, dos, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, 9, and 10. Who else is left? I am telling all the students to on their mic, okay? All the students on the on the camera and mics.
Okay, ma'am.
So today we'll do sentiments. Okay, emotions. Can anyone tell me what all emotions a human has? हम सबके अंदर which emotions we have? Abhinav, tell any emotion.
Crying.
Crying, yes. So Hasi, any emotion?
Sad, happy.
Yes, yes, Abhinav, yes. So Hasi, any? Sashank, any emotion? Jyotsna, any emotion?
What?
Any emotion? Like we are happy, we are sad, any other emotion? Okay.
Angry.
What?
Angry. Angry.
Angry.
Yes, angry is one emotion.
Yes. Arush, tell any emotion.
Scared.
So, what are emotions? Emotions are the feelings those we express, right? Sometimes we are happy.
Old also.
Yeah.
Old.
Yes. Arav, any emotion? Arush?
Annoyed, ma'am. Old,
Annoyed.
young, happy, sad.
Yes, Abhinav, you're right. Except Abhinav, no one is participating. Why? Can I know the reason?
Furious, angry.
Yes, Jochna angry. Arav, Shashank, Suhasi.
Ma'am, ma'am. What type of type, ma'am?
Yes, who is that?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shashank.
types of motion.
Yes, emotions. Okay, so everyone can see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here are the sentiments, okay?
Emoji.
Yes, these are emojis which express our sentiments. These are emojis those express our sentiments. So which is this? What do you think? Which is this emoji? What it tells? Arush?
Smiley. Smiley.
Yes, smiley. What does smiley represent? Happiness, right? We smile when we are happy.
Yes.
So happy in Spanish is feliz. The word here, wait, let me underline. So this word feliz and contento, contenta, these all means happy. These all means happy. If you have to say I am happy, you have to say estoy feliz. That is I am happy. Here, this one. I am happy. That is estoy feliz. Okay? Estoy feliz or estoy contento, contenta, but mostly we use feliz for happiness. So I am happy is estoy feliz. Got it, everyone? Write it down. Jochna, Arav, Arush, yes. Estoy feliz is I am happy. Then this. What do you think this is? Suhasi, you tell.
Estoy feliz. And did I have a reason also why I'm estoy feliz?
Estoy feliz is you that I am happy. So Hasi, which
Yes,
is this? Which
because-
is this emotion?
Because tomorrow is my birthday.
Okay. Okay, tomorrow is your cumpleaños. Okay, so cumpleaños, feliz
Cumpleaños.
Ma'am,
Feliz
crying.
yeah, crying. Very good, Suhasi. Feliz cumpleaños is word for birthday. Okay, Abhinav? Happy birthday, okay? Okay, so this is estoy triste. That you have to say estoy triste. Got it, Shashank? Arav? Write it down, Jochna.
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever you're sad or crying or something, whenever you see someone crying, that means he or she is crying. That is, I am crying is estoy triste. Okay, and if you're happy, it's estoy feliz. Note it down. If you're feeling cool, you're feeling very smart, you know, it sometimes happen. We dress up so nicely see with goggles and we are feeling very cool, very smart. So that is when you say genial. Genial is cool. The cool word in English is genial in Spanish. Genial. This one. Write it down. Genial. I can't write on screen. I don't know why. But okay. Note it down. Genial. What do you think this is? Shashank. You. What is her name?
सिस्टर का नाम क्या है हमारी सिस्टर का?
Sanika Raj, ma'am.
Okay, Sanvika, you're also studying, right?
Network issue. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am. Rosna, ma'am.
Yes. Shashank, what is this? What do you see by this emoji? What does this emoji represent?
Ma'am, sick.
Yes, so Hasi, very good. Shashank, you. Arav, what does this emoji represent? Jyotsna?
Fever,
Arush?
ma'am.
Yes, sick. That is having fever, right? So whenever you're sick, you're not feeling well, the word here is estoy enfermo. And for girls, it is estoy enferma. For boys, it is enferma. That is, I am sick. Okay? And if you have fever and you have to say, I have fever, that is tengo fiebre. That is, I have fever. Okay? Tengo fiebre is I have fever and I am sick or I am not well. That is estoy enfermo for boys, estoy enferma for girls. Okay, you're getting it? Arush, Arav, you're writing it? Write it, Arav. This is when you have fever. So what is estoy enfermo or enferma? Jyotsna, you're writing it right?
Yes.
Okay, Abhinav is also writing. What do they think this is, Abhinav?
Shocked by seeing anything. Shocked.
Yeah, shocked or surprised, right?
Yes.
So it is not, we cannot say it's shocked, it's surprised. For shock, we have another emoji. So this is surprised, okay? So the word surprised in Spanish is sorprendido for boys and sorprendida for girls. Okay, estoy sorprendido or sorprendida, that is I am surprised. So what things do you see and you get surprised? Maybe your birthday gifts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so when you see your birthday gift tomorrow, Abhinav, you have to say estoy sorprendido, that I'm surprised.
Yes. Yes. And I've getted my AirPods also in birthday gift only.
Wow, great. Genial. So this emoji is shocked. That is estoy asustado or asustada. Jyotsna, when are you shocked? Any incident where you were shocked, maybe seeing spider in your house or seeing something else in your house? Jyotsna?
Shocked.
Yeah. So when
Ma'am, I never get shocked.
Ma'am, one day I got shocked when I'm going to take bath and there is a lizard.
okay, so you got shocked by
I run away from.
Okay.
I run away from.
Jyotsna never gets shocked. Very good, Jyotsna. Arav? Arush, where is Arush? I don't know. Okay. So estoy asustada is when you get shocked. Okay. Shashank, any incident when you got shocked? Okay, so Hasi, what does this
Angry.
mean? Yeah,
Angry.
this is angry, right? So when you are angry, the word is estoy enfadado or enfadada. This is the first one is used very commonly. So we'll learn the first one. That is estoy enfadado or enfadada. It is I am very angry or I am angry. Enfadado for boys, enfadada for girls. Okay. Jochna, any incident when you got angry? Estoy enfadada. Arav, any incident when you got angry? No?
शशांक बैठे कैसेगा शशांक बैठे कैसेगा बालक समझ हमें बोला था
So now we have is, what do you think this is?
Laughing. Laughing.
मैम laughing
Jyotishna, any moment when you laugh? So laughing for boys is, that is que divertido is why are you laughing, okay? But estoy divertido is I am laughing. Estoy divertida is for girls, that I am laughing. For girls is estoy divertida, and I am laughing for boys is estoy divertido. So divertida, divertido, okay, that is laughing. Divertido, divertida is the word for laughing. Okay, so estoy enamorado or estoy enamorada is the word when someone is in love. We love our parents, we love our family, we love our pets, right? So the word is estoy enamorada. That is, I am in love. Okay, note it down. Estoy enamorado, enamorada. The next one is estoy aburrido, aburrida. That is when you get bored. So anyone, Suhasi, when you got bored last time?
मैम I don't know
You don't know when you got bored? Or you know? Maybe while watching TV or while playing or while studying. Mostly kids get bored while studying. So, estoy aburrido, estoy aburrida is when you get bored. Okay, note it down. Arav, you also note it down. That is when you get bored, es estoy aburrido, estoy aburrida. And this is, wait, we'll leave this one. When you are worried about something, maybe you're worried because you're not able to go to school, or maybe you're worried because you wanted to play with your friends but they didn't come to your house, right? So whenever you're worried, yeah, this is when you're worried. You know, when you're anxious, when you're worried, when you're in tension, that is, yeah, the scared for the scared part. Shocked or scared. Yeah, you can also say it scared. But no, it's not scared. It is when you're worried. Okay, there's a difference. Scared is when you listen to ghost stories, you get scared. But worried is maybe someone in your family is sick and you're worried for them. Right? That is what is worried. So estoy preocupado, preocupada is the word when you're worried. Estoy preocupado. ocupada. Okay. Next one is estoy ocupado, ocupada. That is when you're busy. Now you're busy in taking your classes, right? Maybe your friend is calling and you're not able to pick his or her phone. So in that scenario, you're occupied. That is, you're busy. So when you're busy, the word is estoy ocupado for boys, estoy ocupada for girls. Okay? Estoy ocupado, estoy ocupada. Okay, what is this? Arav. Abhinav, okay, you will tell. What is this? What is this emotion?
Nervous. Nervous.
Yes. So when you're nervous before your exams, right? Before your exams, everyone is nervous. So the word is estoy nervioso or nerviosa. That is nervous. Estoy nervioso for boys. Estoy nerviosa for girls. That is, I am nervous. Out of time. So this one, tengo miedo, that is, I have fear. This is what you're telling about. So Hasi, this one is when you're in fear, okay? जब आप डर जाते हो, that is
the face.
Yeah, that is
Facing the fear.
yeah. Tengo miedo, that is I have fear. This tengo sueño, that is I'm sleepy. Okay. Yeah, sleepy. That is tengo sueño. So estoy nervioso, nerviosa. Tengo miedo. Tengo sueño. And yeah, you've written it. Tengo sueño. Tengo miedo. Tengo hambre. H is silent. So it is hambre. That is, I have hunger. When you're hungry, when you need food, or maybe you're hungry for junk food, maybe chocolates. So the word is tengo hambre. Hambre, that is, I have hunger. Spanish people, the people who live in Spain, they don't say I am hungry. How they express is, they say I have hunger. Instead of am hungry, they say I have hunger. That is how you say hambre. Okay, so what is your mood now, Abhinav? What is your mood now?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your emotion right now? How are you feeling right now?
Good.
What? Cool.
Yes, cool. I am today.
It's
I am not
genial.
today.
Right? Cool is genial.
Yes.
Okay. So Hasi, what is your emotion right now? What are you feeling right now?
Happy.
Happy. So happy in Spanish. Feliz.
Feliz.
Yes.
Feliz.
So the word is I am happy is Hasi. I am happy in Spanish is
Feliz.
Estoy feliz.
Jasmine,
Yeah.
Estoy feliz.
Jasmine.
Yes.
Yeah, I think so. You're all like the time is over, so you need
Okay.
to end it over here. Okay.
Okay.
And the
So
chat are
adios,
just
everyone.
spamming that time out, time out, time out.
Okay. Adios. Ciao. Okay.